Let me tell you this. Anxiety isn't just a mental state. It's a call to look inward. It's your mind and body's way of signaling that something within needs your attention. Today, we're going to explore anxiety not as an enemy, but as a teacher. Together, we'll uncover its deeper meaning and how you can reduce its grip on your life. Anxiety often feels like a storm, chaotic, overwhelming, and all-consuming. But have you ever paused to ask, what is my anxiety trying to tell me? Anxiety is like an alarm system, alerting you that something is out of alignment. It may stem from fear, unresolved emotions, or a disconnection from your true self. Write this down. Anxiety is not my enemy, it's my guide. The great spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle explains, anxiety is a disconnect from the present moment. When we dwell on the what-ifs of the future or the regrets of the past, we create a tension that separates us from the peace available in the now. Here's a truth you need to hear. Anxiety thrives on the illusion of control. We think that if we plan enough, worry enough, or stress enough, we can control the uncontrollable. But let me assure you, life doesn't work that way. Write this down. Surrender is not weakness, it's strength. Instead of trying to control every detail of your life, focus on what you can influence, your thoughts, your actions, and your energy. Anxiety loses its power when you shift from controlling outcomes to trusting the process. Here are 3 spiritual practices to calm your anxiety. 1. Breathwork, your anchor to the present. When anxiety takes hold, your breath becomes shallow and quick, fueling the storm. Let me show you this. Deep, intentional breathing can be your lifeline. Practice the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Do this 3 times. Feel the calm return as your breath reminds you of the power of the present moment. 2. Gratitude, a spiritual antidote. Anxiety focuses on what's missing or wrong. Gratitude shifts that focus to abundance. Each morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be grand. Simple joys like the warmth of the sun or a kind word from a friend are enough. Dr. Joe Dispenza, an expert in neuroscience and spirituality, teaches that gratitude rewires the brain to release anxiety and welcome peace. 3. Meditation, connecting to stillness. Let me assure you of this. Stillness is the enemy of anxiety. Meditation isn't about silencing your thoughts. It's about observing them without judgment. Set aside 5 minutes daily to sit in stillness. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and let your thoughts pass like clouds. With practice, you'll find a deep reservoir of peace within you. Anxiety often arises when we forget who we are. You are not just a body or a mind. You are a soul, connected to a higher power. Write this down. I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness behind them. When you recognize this truth, anxiety begins to lose its grip. Jesus said, "Do not be anxious about tomorrow, for tomorrow will be anxious for itself." The present moment is where your power lies. Trust that the divine is guiding you, even when the path feels uncertain. Anxiety often clings to the weight of things you were never meant to carry. Expectations, past mistakes, and fears of the unknown. Let me tell you this. It's time to let go. Imagine yourself holding a heavy backpack filled with these burdens. Now visualize yourself placing it down, feeling the relief as the weight is lifted. You are free to move forward, unburdened. Rumi, the mystic poet, wrote, "Try not to resist the changes that come your way. Instead, let life live through you." Anxiety often resists change, but when you embrace life's flow, you align with the divine rhythm that's always guiding you. Faith is the ultimate antidote to anxiety. Let me assure you, the universe is not working against you, it's working for you. Your journey, with all its challenges, is unfolding exactly as it should. When you trust in this truth, anxiety begins to dissolve. Write this down. I surrender my fear and embrace faith. This is not just a statement, it's a decision to release the need to control and to trust the process of life. Let me leave you with this. Anxiety doesn't define you. It's a signal, a guide, and ultimately a tool for growth. When you choose to face it with courage, compassion, and faith, you begin to transform it. Remember this, you are not alone. You are divinely supported, and you have the power to navigate through anxiety and into peace. So the next time you feel the storm of anxiety, pause and ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Because within every wave of anxiety lies an opportunity for healing, growth, and connection.